Before entering the water, adult elephants always check the surroundings to ensure the safety of the herd. Water plays a crucial role in their lives. It not only cools them down in the heat, but also protects their skin from the sun and insects. Young elephants learn to swim from the first months of their lives. For them, it's not just play, but an important part of growing up. Family bathing brings the herd closer together and strengthens the bonds between adults and calves. For elephants, water is a symbol of joy, family, and freedom. Thai elephants are the living embodiment of strength, grace, and ancient traditions.